Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is January 18th, 2025, and we've got a packed episode for you. From intriguing discoveries about Apple Silicon chips, to updates on AI features in iOS, and even some fun app reviews, we've got it all. Links to all the stories we discuss can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Apple Silicon chips. A recent article has shed light on some surprising differences in operating frequencies among the P and E cores of Apple's M-series chips. Initially, it was assumed that cores of the same type were identical across variants like the Base, Pro, Max, and Ultra. However, a reader's observation revealed that the E cores in the Base M4 chip run at a higher maximum frequency than those in the M4 Pro. Similarly, small but intentional frequency differences were found in the M1 family, with P cores in the Base variant slightly slower than those in the Pro and Max versions. These variations, while subtle, could impact performance and are likely deliberate design choices. The article includes a frequency table and invites readers to contribute their data to build a more comprehensive understanding of Apple Silicon performance. It's a fascinating dive into the nuances of Apple's chip engineering. Next, Apple has decided to suspend its AI-generated news summary feature in the iOS 18.3 beta due to issues with inaccuracies, or hallucinations, as they're often called in the AI world. This feature, designed to provide quick news and entertainment updates, faced backlash after delivering false and sometimes serious misinformation, including a high-profile case of a fabricated shooting report. Apple is now working to address these issues before reintroducing the feature in future updates. This move highlights the challenges tech companies face in deploying AI responsibly, a lesson Apple is learning alongside other industry giants like Google. For now, users can disable notification summaries entirely or for specific apps while Apple refines the system. Speaking of AI, Apple's notification summaries have also been causing some amusing yet frustrating errors. For example, one user received a summary claiming their husband was messy, despite not having a husband at all. These errors stem from the AI's reliance on patterns and context, which can sometimes lead to humorous misinterpretations. Apple has temporarily disabled notification summaries for news apps in the iOS 18.3 beta, and is encouraging users to report inaccuracies as they work on improvements. The update will also introduce new features, like italicized summaries for better clarity and the ability to disable them directly from the lock screen. A public release of iOS 18.3 is expected in the coming weeks. Now, let's shift gears to a cool open-source project called Queryable. This iOS app uses OpenAI's Clip and Apple's mobile clip models to let users search their photo albums with natural language queries. Imagine typing a brown dog sitting on a bench and instantly finding the right photo. The app works entirely offline, ensuring your privacy, and recent updates have improved its efficiency and precision. There's even an Android counterpart called PicQuery, which supports English and Chinese. The project is open for contributions, so if you're a developer, this could be a great opportunity to get involved. At WWDC 2024, Apple unveiled its new AI-based personal intelligence system, Apple Intelligence, which takes a strong stance on user privacy. This system uses a combination of on-device models and a secure private cloud compute system to handle data responsibly. Key features include no persistent data storage and protection during processing, ensuring that even Apple staff can't access your information. This approach aligns with Apple's long-standing commitment to privacy, a value that's becoming increasingly important as global regulations tighten. It's a timely innovation in the world of AI, where privacy and security are often hot topics. For gaming enthusiasts, we've got two fun app reviews. First, there's Falcon Lander, SpaceX Edition, a mobile game that challenges players to land a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket on an ocean platform. While the retro graphics and engaging gameplay have been praised, users are asking for more features like new rocket types and challenge modes to keep things fresh. The game is free to download with optional in-app purchases and is compatible with iOS 14.0 or later. Next is Catch That Pizza, Maze Game, a delightful maze adventure where players chase a moving pizza while avoiding obstacles like banana peels. The game features randomly generated mazes and allows players to choose their favorite pizza toppings. It's free to play, with an option to remove ads, and has received glowing reviews for its fun and engaging gameplay. Suitable for all ages, it's a great way to pass the time. Finally, for shift workers, there's the Next Shift Widget, a simple yet effective app for tracking upcoming shifts. Designed with privacy in mind, the app doesn't collect any user data and offers a clean, ad-free experience. The latest update introduced a dark mode, catering to users who prefer a darker interface. It's a handy tool for anyone with a non-traditional work schedule, and it's available for free on the App Store. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We covered everything from Apple Silicon insights to the latest in AI and some fun app recommendations. Remember, links to all the stories are in the episode notes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.